I would say that the two most common mistakes in immigration are when people are waiting too long to start their PR process and not knowing that it is possible to have different paths that could lead them to permanent resident status. They simply fail to consider all available options and strategize their immigration route. And the second mistake I see is in temporary resident applications, such as study permits, visitor visas, super visas, work permits, as I receive very many requests to resubmit applications that were refused several times before. Once a visa is refused, the applicant should retain the service of an experienced and qualified professional to avoid continuing to complicate their immigration history. Greetings to all. My name is Milmantas, and I own and operate Milmantas Immigration Services, a Canadian immigration consulting company located in Toronto. I have been a regulated Canadian immigration consultant more than 12 years, and over these years I was successful in representing and advocating for applicants when their temporary resident applications were refused even 4 times. It is a common public belief that temporary resident applications are very simple. They appear simple for a layperson, but they require an enormous number of documents and detailed preparation. Even more so, as applications are being more often assessed by artificial intelligence, and therefore impeccable preparation is the key. My many years of experience allow me to build effective applications, as I know what immigration officers or an algorithm is looking for to avoid refusal. As to permanent resident applications, strategy is the key. Start on the right path from the very beginning and have a plan. Canadian immigration is complex. Laws and requirements change very often, and based on my experience, it is challenging to prepare a strategic plan without professional assistance. In addition, an applicant, as mentioned before, may have several routes to becoming a permanent resident. Therefore, an initial consultation and the creation of a strategic plan are key. It is possible that after the consultation, you may not need my assistance, but at least you will have a clear plan. I'm an immigrant myself. I speak 3 languages, and I understand very well what immigrants go through. Prior to going into private practice, I used to assist an immigration lawyer in a law firm in downtown Toronto. I have also taught immigration subjects at a college in Toronto, and I have been presenting seminars and workshops on various immigration subjects for the Canadian Association of Professional Immigration Consultants and other CPD providers. I also teach exam preparation subjects to my future colleagues preparing to take the licensing exam. So this way, I am combining my first passion, teaching, and immigration. To sum up, my advice to everyone regarding PR applications would be to start early and have a plan. Also, you should find a licensed professional you can trust and feel comfortable working with. I would be very honored if I could help you. Our work begins with you completing the online questionnaire, which allows me to assess your options and to establish if, based on the provided information, you would qualify under one of the categories. If not, then I would be able to guide you on how to prepare and hopefully you would become eligible. If you are not eligible, I will tell you just that. I do say no to many prospects, as I trust that applicants come to me seeking honest, transparent, and genuine help. I explain all the strengths and weaknesses of the case, and I use my best judgment to pursue your interests. Ladies and gentlemen, being an immigrant myself, I understand your goals and your dreams. I know that immigration process is time demanding, requires much information and documentation, that immigration rules are complex and confusing, and that it could be stressful as immigration legislation requirements change very often. I strive to simplify sometimes convoluted information, develop a strategy customized to you and guide you through the entire process. I care about the success of your application as your success is my success. And I'm in this profession because I am passionate, I love what I do, and I love helping families immigrate to Canada and companies do business in this beautiful country.